All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another video home tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chuck. It's Crusoe with Simply Vegas. I'm a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Saffron model. Now this is the sales office. Technically this is supposed to be a two-car garage here. Now, with the Saffron model, this property features a two-story home, 2,385 square feet. You have an option for a 4 to 5 bedroom, 2.5 bath with a 3.5 bath with a 2-car garage, owner suite, game room. The base price on here starts off at $486,990. Now, if you guys haven't had a chance to check out the other models, feel free to check out the other models, which is the Modena and the Camelia. Now, I think the Modena is the best model out of all these three models here. Now, if you guys haven't had a chance, go and check out the Modena. As far as the price, I think the value is there. You spend a little bit more, but the Saffron here starts off at the $487,000 versus the Modena, which starts you off at $492,000. However, it's about 100 square feet more, but the layout's a lot better than this one. The only difference on this one is the kitchen feels a little bit compressed, and also we have the primary owner suite downstairs. So let's start off in the front here real quick, so that way we can see what's going on. HOAs are going to be $75 a month. Here is the sales office, but the 2-car garage. Then here we have the bathroom, which is, I think somebody's in it. Oh no, I thought somebody was in here. All right. We're just going to shut this. This is a door that automatic swings. Let's take a look at some of the storage underneath this staircase here. Bam. Now, I'm going to be very transparent with you guys. Honestly, I'm really not too excited about this model. You're better off just spending more money, honestly. About 10 grand more and getting a better floor plan. But the only benefit here is if you want, like, you know, the primary downstairs. That's great. Now, I did have some clients that are interested in, you know, buying a single-story home because they're looking like to retire and stuff like that. But for me, it doesn't make any sense when somebody's looking to buy a single-story home, but may consider a two-story as long as the primary is downstairs. The problem with that is this, and a lot of you guys are not aware of this, okay? On a two-story home, it's going to be a little bit cheaper as far as price per square foot, but then on a single story, it's going to be more because it takes up more land, which is I totally understand. But you're better off spending a little bit more money, because if you wanted to save about, you know, $20,000, $30,000 to have a a two-story with the bedroom downstairs, this is where the problem lies. Say if it's 2,000 square feet. Then we find you a two-story home, but the primary is downstairs. As you're getting older, you just lost the square footage upstairs. So basically, you're paying double the amount. So that doesn't make any sense. So it's just something that you have to keep in mind. Because eventually, you can't go upstairs. Especially if this is going to be your last home. I mean, primary is decent size here. Here we don't have a door completely open, which is fine because the water closet has a door. This is where all the models have been killing me with all this additional dead space, which is I just never understand. Like, why is this thing happening? Now, one thing with the market right now I've noticed, guys, resale is hitting hard. In order for resales now to compete with a new homes, because new homes are giving out some crazy incentives here, resale home pricing has dropped so dramatically where it's starting to make sense now to buy a resale home. Now, if you're considering purchasing a home, give me a call. All right, you guys like the fanny pack? I've been rocking this for years like a gangster. If you want one, I'll get you one. But yeah, I've noticed like the resale sector, man, it's actually moving because the pricing has gone down so dramatically. It's starting to make sense right now. We talked about these slides. They're not that great. They're crap, actually. Here, as you can see, these are all gables. Now, what that is, right there, inside the attics, right, it's insulation. These ones are gonna be spray foam. But what happens is, air has to flow through that attic, because if not, you're gonna have still air. But the problem is that as air is flowing through the attic, it gets very dusty. That's why I would rather get an AVU system, okay, that allows to circulate the air inside that attic and pushes it out, and you shouldn't have any dust in there. Now, not all builders provide it, but there's only one. If you want to know who that builder is, let me know. All right, let's go take a look upstairs. I don't know if I mentioned this to you or not, but there's a total of 98 lots. They have already like 5 under contract right now. They literally just opened this track. Wow. Look how large this loft is. Huge loft. Now remember, you can go from a 4 to 5 bedroom on here. But think about this. Wall cuts off right about here. But you still have this large loft. This is like a super loft here. But if you made this into a 5th bedroom, you still have this large loft. I think I would go with that. Eight-foot ceilings. Take a look at this bedroom. Wow, that's such a small little bed. This bedroom's a lot bigger than a 12 by 10, that's for sure. It's all plain Jane. Let's go across the hall here. Oh, love the fact that our attic access, which is a crawl space. Where you see this crawl space, there's going to be a platform. This tells you where the AC unit is at. Here is your return line for the AC unit. So you know your unit is sitting right here. Smart panel box. Okay, let's go down this way. So this is a dual zone. So remember, this is a 2-story. However, we only got 1 AC unit here. I prefer to have 2 condensers, 2 AC units for a 2-story. Your home will be that more efficient, believe it or not. All right, I'm gonna be very transparent with you on this one. Like, this video home tour is not too exciting for me. However, is it worth the price? The answer is yes. As far as what you pay for the price per square foot, by the time you're done with this, you're gonna be into it for about like $525. And for price per square foot, it's great. But personally, the floor plan does not work for me. But also, I'm gonna be very transparent. Oh, I love the fact this is a suite though. That's a plus. Suite. But I am getting more bougie now, so. That's a cute room. Oh, I heard somebody.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know anyone was in here.
Oh, no, you're fine.
Oh, what's up? How are you doing?
Oh, she must like the room or something. All right, guys, that is pretty much it for this video home tour. And if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, remember, the HOAs here are about $75 a month. And if you guys want to get ahead of the curve, you guys want to build, okay, no matter where, give me a call. We definitely love the opportunity to help you through the process and spec out your home. Our job is to help and identify add value properties and walk you through the process and making sure you are maximizing your dollar spent on the home build, okay? I'm gonna show you exactly what to upgrade for add value, what not to buy with the builder, because you may be paying about a 30% premium higher, and how you can save more money if you do it the right way. This channel is really based upon educating you as a consumer of purchasing a home. You got to understand, $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 for a home, that is very expensive. This will be one of the biggest purchases in your lifetime, so it's very important to work with the right agent. Now, when it comes to new homes here in Las Vegas, guys, I don't want to gloat, but I'm your real estate guy. So what I need you to do right now is stop what you're doing, go to the description of this page, okay, and take a look at all our products that we have to offer for free. I want to give it to you. It's my gratitude just to say, you know, I appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. Honestly, that's why I've created all these free products. And it's all about working together and helping each other out, okay? Other than that, I wish you guys nothing but the best. And happy Sunday, folks. Peace. If you are considering moving to Las Vegas, we have a lot of free products. We have the relocation guide. Now, the relocation guide talks about neighborhoods, surrounding areas, and school zones, hospitals. Now, once you subscribe to this, what's included is the Power Pack. What is the Power Pack? The Power Pack also includes the current housing market for the month. This talks about single-family residents, condos, and townhomes. And also we have the economic study of what's going on within Las Vegas, Henderson, and North Las Vegas. Now, if you're just a first-time home buyer, you just don't really understand the process, we have the free buyer's guide. This will literally walk you and prepare you for your first purchase. Now, if you are planning on financing, you got to get the mortgage hacks. The mortgage hacks is inside secrets on how to save thousands of dollars of the life of your loan. This also talks about all the type of loan programs, state programs that are available to you as a buyer. Now, if you're also planning on buying a brand new home, but you're not too sure which builder is a better builder, it really comes down to materials and supplies. So this is a comprehensive book that explains everything. 32 questions that you need to ask the builder before you actually buy a home. In addition to that, we also have an educational video that we explain how to actually buy a home. It's actually called the Masterclass Vote, and it's free. It's only about 30 to 40 minutes long, but it's something that is worth looking into. We also have the mortgage calculator. So if you are getting a loan and you want to know what your payments are, mortgage calculator, it breaks it all down. It tells you exactly what your payment's going to be. So again, that is free. In addition to that, if you are considering buying or even selling a home, we are offering you a consultation. So it doesn't matter if you're out of state, because we can do a video chat live. We get to know each other. We explain everything, how it all works to prepare you to buy a home out here in Las Vegas. So just make sure to visit simplyvegashomes.com, or if you want to set up an appointment, give us a call today. Now, if you want to just view more video home tours, just go ahead and click on that link right there. We have over 1,000 video home tours. Other than that, peace.